Hi, today I'll show you how to use HP NB. This is the HP NB series. It's the same way to use all HP NB. And first, this is the power button, and this is touch screen. The paper, you can pull here for the paper. This is the printing paper, and this is scanning. And this side for replacing ink. I also have a video how to replace the ink separately. Black and white and the color. And this is power button, touch screen. In order to connect your Wi-Fi, you have to download HP Smart Apps. It's available on App Store and Google Play Store as well. So download these apps and then you can connect it Wi-Fi through the apps to HP NB series. So here is the your screen. You can see copy, scan and setup option. Okay, now I'll show you how to scan and print from your mobile apps or from your mobile phone. First is to do download HP Smart and then accept terms and conditions. And this is the screen, you can see it when you download. Scan, print. You can print from your Facebook, Google Photo, desktops, Google Drive, from anywhere. You can print it, even any documents from your computers as well. Yeah, you don't need to sign in, it's not necessary. Now you can even scan your camera as well. Anything outside of your camera you can scan it, and you can scan someone's face as well. Yeah, you can scan your books as well. And also you can scan or print from anything, anywhere from website. Now go to the website. Yeah, and now you can scan or print from your website. It will show you, you can see print with HP Apps Smart. Yeah, you can print this page if you want, black and white or color, you can set up. Also, if you don't have this option, you can add it up from this list. Okay, even you can click on print and it will show you whatever printer available, or yeah, go choose which page you want to print it and how many pages do you like to print, how many copies do you need. I just need one, and here you go. That's all done. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe me.